Reef Money is a blockchain-based stage intended for DeFi and NFT. Reef is a condensing of solid, extensible, effective, and quick blockchain. The Layer 1 blockchain of Reef Life Partner is known as the Reef chain. Reef Coin is an Ethereum-based virtual machine viable brilliant chain explicitly intended for shrewd agreement. Existing applications can be ported from Ethereum to the Reef chain without altering its strength code. Reef incorporates the best elements of decentralized finance. It is described by its low exchange charge, versatility, dApps, and no inefficient mining. DeFi is quickly developing, and it is on the grounds that numerous expert financial backers enter the market. The Reef coin has worked with a substrate system, and it has on-chain administration. Furthermore, it works with designated resistant of stake agreement and cutting-edge cryptography. The chain local area administers the Reef, and it is self-upgradable through local area chose specialized gathering. The Reef cryptographic money was established by Denko Manchesky in 2019, determined to work on admittance to DeFi. Consequently, Reef gives a one-stop stage to admittance to Binance, Shrewd Chain, Torrential Slide, and Universe. This keeps away from the formation of various records and passwords. Not at all like other blockchain innovation. Reef permits the client to contract and work numerous chains from a solitary stage. What is Reef utilized for? The Reef chain has specific remarkable highlights that assist the client with taking care of shrewd agreements and DeFi administrations flawlessly. A portion of its highlights are given underneath. Global Liquidity Aggregator. Reef has a worldwide liquidity aggregator that totals liquidity from both incorporated and decentralized trades, liquidity pool, and different sources into the worldwide liquidity aggregator. Smart Yield Cultivating Aggregator. Reef fills in as a solitary opening point to retail financial backers and asset directors to go into DeFi. It focuses on dispensing with the intricacies and issues of DeFi. Furthermore, marking, loaning, getting, and mining additionally happen through the Shrewd Yield Cultivating Aggregator. Artificial Insight Customized Brilliant Motor. It stands to source knowledge to on-chain DeFi shrewd agreements, and it helps for direction. The Brilliant Resource Chief of Reef helps for dynamic resource rebalancing of resource portion. Clients can change their resource assignment between various containers of DeFi. Since it works with an artificial intelligence motor, it gives directed resource the executive's smart proposal. So assuming that the client is mistaken for the resource assignment, the framework assists with savvy ideas. Furthermore, unique DeFi bushels give expansion and resource distribution. Reef coin was at first recorded with Binance in DEC 2020. The all-out symbolic stockpile was 20 billion Reef. Among 600 million Reef are allotted for Binance launch pool assignment, which was 3% of the all-out supply. 7.14% was distributed for seed deals, 8.33% apportioned for vital deal, 5.6% for private deal, 16% is dispensed for the group, 12% for environment improvement, 29.9% for convention discharges and liquidity rewards, lastly 17.56% for the establishment. Reef value history and specialized investigation. Reef cost today is exchanging at 1 cent with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $63,856,747.47. The all-out market cap is $208,443,600.23, with a coursing supply of 18,280,715,935 Reef. The everything time high was noted at 5 cents on Walk 15, 2021. And the untouched low was $0 January 13, 2021. Examining the previous value information of Reef coin, it began exchanging on December 23, 2020. The everything time low is noted in the underlying days after its posting with Binance. Reef effectively exchanged the primary quarter of 2021 just multiple times. It was tried at the 5 cents opposition level and denoted an unequaled high in spring. From May 2021 onwards, a descending pattern has started in the coin, uncovered a disappearing negative force, and cost sunk to 1 cent. Reef coin has moved sideways for the following quarter and afterwards started an up move once more. It was an exceptionally sluggish movement which denoted a medium-term high at 3 cents. Consequently, bears hold the value back to 1 cent. At this point, the coin is pursuing for a vertical pattern. However, the market is weighty in light of the fact that the volume isn't supporting the Reef cost rise. Volume is exceptionally unpredictable, making ups and downs, and candles are blended for the beyond scarcely any exchanging meeting. In diagram, 6 cents is going about as a help zone for Reef, and the token has returned from the zone commonly. As of late, Reef has likewise tumbled to this level, began a pattern inversion, and stays weighty by the negative feeling. So it is important to do a definite specialized examination to realize how Reef will move temporarily. The current upturn regards the vertical pattern line. subsequent to exchanging areas of strength for through business sectors. ADX tumbles from 40 to 26.71, and that implies the current move is reasonably bullish. Investigating the help level and opposition level information, it very well may be presumed that the quick obstruction is set at 1 cent. Assuming Reef crosses this level, the following obstruction is put at 17 cents and afterward at 1 cent. A significant obstruction level is put at 2 cents. On the contrary side, close by help is set at $0. Significant help is put at $0, filtering a portion of the significant specialized markers. The MACD line is settled over the sign line and supports the ascent. RSI is noted at 59.70, which is additionally impartial, however the course is bullish. Inspecting the EMA, Reef is crossed 200 EMA, while 20 EMA and 50 EMA are underneath it. More or less, market feelings are unbiased for the coin. Closing the specialized markers, the MACD line is bullish, RSI and EMA levels are marginally bullish. By retracement and a pattern line actually show a vertical excursion left in the token for the present moment, not as long as possible. Since November 2021, the remedy is noticed. In the middle between there were slight recuperations seen, however again it fell. Reef Value Forecast, 2022 to 2026. The digital currency market is advancing step by step, and more expert financial backers are entering the crypto market. Reef was a wise interest in 2021, and it gave a nice return over last month and last week. High-level DEFI and savvy contracts projects are normal and serious in the blockchain innovation industry. Allow us to view Reef cryptographic money cost expectation for long-haul speculation. Reef Value Estimate 2022. The future cost of Reef is expected to start at 1 cent. Reef cost forecast shows that it might separate to 1 cent toward the finish of 2022. Reef Value Expectations 2023. The Reef cost figure for 2023 may start with a base cost of 1 cent and the greatest cost of 1 cent. It is important to leave the standing firm on foothold according to the best crypto forecast. The future typical cost for the year might be 1 cent, which is extremely low contrasted with the ongoing worth. Reef Estimate 2024. Reef cost is supposed to start at a greatest degree of 1 cent. Very much like the earlier year, sharp fall is normal, which might take the cost of Reef to 1 cent inside the principal half of the year. Further plunge might take the Reef cost to a base degree of 1 cent before the year's over. This implies all the return quickly assumptions are reduced by time. Reef Value Expectation 2025. The future cost of Reef is negative, and 2025 is expected to start at 2 cents. There is a slight cost rise anticipated in the principal quarter, however it is unimportant taking a gander at the final part separate. According to our Reef cost expectation, costs might hit 2 cents by the principal half. The typical exchanging cost might lessen to 2 cents. And toward the finish of 2025, Reef might be looking at the zone of 2 cents. Reef Value Forecast 2026. According to our Reef cost forecast, the normal cost of Reef toward the start of the year might be 2 cents with a most extreme degree of 2 cents. Simultaneously, the base level is anticipated to be around 1 cent. Future Reef cost expectations show Reef cost expecting a descending excursion from the ongoing cost, which makes Reef not a wise venture. It can't be viewed as a productive venture for quite some time.